Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a reachable network, permission to the share, and the server name or IP. Open File Explorer and click this PC, then choose Map Network Drive to start the connection wizard. Enter the exact share path, for example //server/share, because accuracy prevents connection errors. If the share requires different credentials, check the box to use alternate credentials. Doing this now sets you up to authenticate and attach the drive. Once the wizard appears, pick an available drive letter so Windows mounts the share like a local drive. This simplifies access. Make sure to enable Reconnect at sign-in so the mapping persists across restarts. Otherwise, you must remap each session. If your Windows login differs from the share account, choose Connect using different credentials and enter domain /username and password when prompted. This step ensures proper permissions and prevents access denied errors when opening files later. Click Finish and then open the mapped drive to confirm file and folder visibility. This verifies both connectivity and permission. If you see access denied, make sure you use the right domain /username and that your account belongs to the required group on the server, because permission mismatches are common. If the drive is unreachable, check network connectivity, ping the server IP, and verify the server firewall and SMB settings. These network-level issues are the usual culprits, and fixing them restores your mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.